As far as other news today, does the current state law step on the rights of public employers and employees when it comes to exchanging information about union membership? Shasta County leaders think so and are now appealing a recent ruling to fight for what they call a free speech issue. Anchor Haley Watts spoke with Board of Supervisors Chairman, I should say, Kevin Cry, about that lawsuit in Action News Now exclusive.
When we had an employee asked to be represented essentially by the county in this lawsuit, anything when it comes to constitutional rights or defending the First Amendment, I'm always for.
Back in March, Shasta County and one of its employees brought a lawsuit against the State Public Employment Relations Board, known as PERB. The employee claimed they were never told they didn't have to join a union when taking a job with Shasta County.
I'm not anti-union at all, but I'm always very pro-information. I think people should have all the information of any situation or any contract they enter into.
There are two state laws in question in this case. California Code Section 3550, which says public employers cannot discourage employees from becoming union members. And PERB has previously found that even subtle or indirect comments seen as discouraging union membership can violate the law. And Code 3553, subsections B and C, basically mandate that before a public employer informs employees about their rights to join or not join a union, the employer must meet with union reps about it. The lawsuit cites the Supreme Court's 2018 Janus v. ASCME ruling, which recognized public employees' right to decline union membership.
And is the assertion basically that these two state laws are in conflict with the precedent set by the Supreme Court in the Janus decision? Because they're basically saying, hey, county, don't really come out and tell the truth about the fact that they can opt out?
Yeah, that's how I interpret it. Would it be an extra win if other counties like Butte, Glenn, Trinity, Tehama, et cetera, benefited as well? I think so, but this is really about the single employee not having the option to know his rights. And so if it did spread across the state and the rest of the country in different capacities, I think that's a big win.
Now it's up for the court to decide whether or not the First Amendment protects the right to give and receive truthful information. Haley Watts, Action News Now.
The goal of the lawsuit is to get the two laws off the books. The case now moves to the state's third appellate district court in Sacramento. There's no scheduled date yet for the next appearance. We also reach out to PERB and are working to get a response.